This video I pretty much want to talk about philosophy of science and theory and prediction. I guess I've kind of been thinking about theory and what theory is in science. I guess I'm currently writing a writing sample for grad school, and that has to do with philosophy of science and epistemology. And I've been reading a lot of articles trying to make sure that my thesis statement of that sample is solid and valid and sound and everything. So I've kind of been thinking about theory and prediction and as to what a theory is. So I guess kind of what a theory is, what I've been thinking about, a theory is some sort of a framework put in science, like I guess relating it to the social science of psychology, the theory of behaviorism. And I've thought about that a lot with, relating behaviorism to philosophy a lot, actually, but that's a kind of a different subject as to the actual subject matter of behaviorism. But thinking of that as a theory, or how about, try to think of maybe a different theory. How about the theory of evolution in science, like in biology and geology and such, and how the world kind of came to be. Basically, what a theory I think is, talking about the theory of evolution, a scientist will have a theory as to how the world works, and they will create this scientific framework and try to they have all these beliefs and assumptions that make up the theory, like within the theory of evolution, as to how we evolved from certain other species and such. That's a whole lot of topics about, like, that even Christians and atheists talk about, but that's not really what I want to think. I don't really want to think about that actual subject, the subject matter here. I want to think about the evolution as a theory in science. A theory being a scientific framework. The scientist who has that theory has a bunch of assumptions or hypotheses, and excuse me, and you basically what the scientist does is through that theory, he will try to test that first off, try to test these hypotheses, and try to prove them out, and they will make predictions. Also, theories are associated with predictions, and a theory is sort of tossed out if the predictions made by that theory come out mostly and maybe even half of the way false. If they come out false, and they come out even if they come out like half of the way false, and the theory is shown to be not totally accurate or precise, and it gets tossed out. However, if a theory, if the theory's assumptions of that framework are tested, and many of them come out true, then you might be onto something, and you continue in this framework and make more predictions. And that's possibly, as you make more predictions, and as predictions either become true or false, theories either get kept and built upon, or trashed out. That's kind of what I've been thinking about with respect to theories. And I guess I want to end this video by showing a couple of books that I think are really good to read for philosophy of science. First of all, there's this one, which is a library book, which I don't own, by Feigl and Rodbeck. This is one I do own by Klee. There's lots of good stuff in here, but it's kind of a shorter one. And this, I think, is the mother lode for a lot of that. A lot of stuff. This is a big, thick one. This has lots of stuff from positivism, even to later stuff, and even philosophy of social science. And finally, I think this is an awesome book. This isn't an anthology or anything, but this is a book by Karl Popper, which is The Logic of Scientific Discovery. And there's some good thought in here about scientific theory and as to how all that works. So, if you have a question, or if you think I've done something wrong, please, or if you think I've, messed up something, please comment below. Love to discuss with you. Thank you.